Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got more freebies for you to put on your Gears 3, your Gears Sport, and your Gears 2. So stay tuned, it's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got some more awesome freebies for you all to check out. And you know what? We probably should have named this Freebie Week, right? Now, with that being said, I'm going to see if I can go ahead and cap this off for tomorrow, since tomorrow is Friday, and end it well, right? Now, I can't make that promise for the weekend that you're going to get some freebies, but I think I took care of you for the whole week, which is a good thing, right? So let's go ahead. Let's check these awesome watch faces out. We're going to start off with number one. Now, number one is called Green KDW 01 Digital Watch Face. This one here is nice. Considering that it is free, it is not bad at all. Now, in the always on mode, this thing has a very unique, a very nice casual look. When the watch face is on, I'm liking the theme of the watch face. I'm liking the circular design as well. And I'm liking the layout of all the info, although yes, it is in a circle, but it's the way it's laid out. I like that you got the date at the top, very clear, legible. You got the day of the week. You get your heart rate with an icon as well as your number information for your heart rate. You come down, you got what's important. You got your battery life info, and then you got these shortcuts, right? And I'm thinking the shortcuts are awesome, but what's different about it is it's a double tap instead of a single tap. And that's the only thing that I wish that they had not did. They could have made it a double tap, a single tap, and that would have been cool, but it's still not a bad deal considering that it is free. You got the time dead center, which really makes this watch stand out. I think that's what it is and why it caught my attention. And you got the theme that's in the background and you can change it. So this is what really made this thing worthy of a review and a download, because you can change the theme and the look of the watch face. It has many to choose from. Choose the one you like and you're all good. All right, make sure you hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on all the freebies for the day, and also let me know if you're downloaded. With that being said, let's go ahead and check out watch face number two. Now number two, very nice, very basic, very simple, very elegant. So I don't know what you guys have planned for Friday night, Saturday night, but if you're going to dress to impress, this might be the watch face you want to play for this weekend. It's a very nice look in always on mode. It has a classic look as well. This is an analog watch face, and I like what's really going on with the index. It's not basic. It has a nice, elegant look to it, as well as the date, and you get your battery percentage down at the bottom and LED. Now, you can wear it casual, but for me, I would play this as a dress to impress watch face, and I'm going to give this one 2 thumbs up. I like what the developer did with this one, and on top of it, it is free. You got to see this in person. Download it, check it out, see if it's for you or not. And with that being said, let's go ahead and check out watch face number three. Now number three is just as nice. It's by the same developer who made number one, and this one here is called Simple KDW. Very nice looking watch face. And always on mode, you're going to get the same look. The layout, the design is going to be the same. It's just going to be dimmed down just a tad, but you'll still be able to see your time at a glance. Now, when the watch face is on, I like the simplicity of this watch face. It's laid out, very basic, but it gives you all your info. It's big enough to read. You get your year at the top, you get your date, you also get your digital time, dead center, and you can set an alarm as well. You come down, you get your heart rate info, and you can also get your shortcuts. Now, here's the thing about this. It's the same as number one. It's going to be a double tap to go into these things. But still, considering that it is free, this is not a bad deal. But I like the design of the theme, and you can change it. Just simply double tap. And this seems to be like a multi-watch. You got a few watches in one because you can change the design in the background. I thought this was a really good look, especially considering that it is free. Okay, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. You want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.